I've made a very conscious decision lately to not immediately jump on the bandwagon of, I guess, boasting or degrading vehicles as they are announced. So the new Cybertruck came out, and the amount of hate, the amount of negative press has been overwhelming, and people's renders of how it was in paint and the windows failed and whatever. If I was to buy a pickup truck in 2 to 3 years from now, based on where my life is right now, that would probably be the best truck for me. I'm a little torn on the design. I don't love everything about it, but I don't mind it either. It's just different. Very much like the new Mustang, the new Corvette. I know lots of people that don't like mid-engine cars, and they've never even driven one, but they will judge it, and they will tell everybody about how, oh, it's dangerous and whatever. There's always somebody out there that has the negative opinion about something, regardless of how cool it is or revolutionary or different. The specs were fantastic, and everybody thought that. The pricing was fantastic. That was also pretty much agreed upon, but the styling was different. And in a world of complete, feels like clone and copy everything, it was nice to see somebody actually take that bold step outwards. Teslas are usually pretty simple and understated and elegant. This is a little bit more futuristic, understated and bulky, I guess. I'd also be very interested to see how it looks beside another truck. I feel like on its own, it kind of looks like a rolling house. But if you put it beside a Silverado, an F-150, and a Ram, maybe it would have a little different presence. I found the scale and proportion of the truck interesting. But when I watched multiple reviews, I watched Marquise Brownlee and a few of the different people that actually attended the event walk around the truck and drive it and do whatever. It was a totally different story as to how the truck made me feel. It seemed much cooler in the in-person videos than the Tesla beauty shots and it just rolling up on stage. But again, I want to see it next to some other stuff. So if I'm in a position to buy one when they are out, I probably will. I probably will pick one up. It seems really cool. I need something that tows at least 10,000 pounds because I want to do an enclosed cargo trailer with the car in it. Car weighs almost 4,000 plus tools, plus trailer, plus whatever you're going to put in it. I want a 10,000 pound tow rating. It tows 14. The 6-seating option is actually quite nice. It's rare in vehicles nowadays because everybody seems to want the center console and all the stuff. So it's interesting that they went full tilt for that. I loved it. I just thought it was really cool. I thought it was really neat to see somebody actually do something unique and different. That's just my opinion. I will probably be buying a Silverado. I now sell Silverado, which makes the most sense for me to get into, but I've also preferred the Silverado over all the other trucks, but there's never really been a true off-the-shelf competitor. Now we have one. It's Tesla Cybertruck. I'm quite impressed, but again, I do want to see it. I'm pretty excited. I hope they bring it to the auto show or something in the spring. Here in Canada, we don't tend to get stuff overly soon, so it could be a hit or miss on how many years I have to wait to do so. But that's here nor there. That's my opinion on the Tesla Cybertruck. I give it 2 thumbs up, and I'm pretty excited to see where they go with it from here. Till next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.